to Marjanroots.
Assalamu alaikum student. In this video we will learn 3-letter words starting with J. Dear students, this is the list of all the meaningful 3-letter words starting with J. Now we will discuss in this video all these 3-letter words starting with J with Urdu, Hindi and English meaning one by one. Are you ready, students?
We are ready.
Well done. Let's learn. J for jam.
J for jam. Jam means a sweet fruit spread. J-A-M. Jam.
Well done.
J for jar.
J for jar. Jar means a glass container. J-A-R. Jar.
Well done.
J for jaw.
J for jaw. Jaw means part of the mouth. J-A-W. Jaw.
Well done.
J for J.
J for J. J means a bird. J-A-Y. J.
Well done.
J for jet.
J for jet. Jet means a fast aeroplane. J-E-T. Jet.
Well done.
J for jeep.
J for jeep. Jeep means front side of a boat. J-I-P. Jeep.
Well done.
J for jig.
J for jig. Jig means a happy dance. J-I-G. Jig.
Well done.
J for job.
J for job. Job means work. J-O-B. Job.
Well done.
J for jog.
J for jog. Jog means run slowly. J-O-G. Jog.
Well done.
J for joy.
J for joy. Joy means great happiness. J-O-Y. Joy.
Well done.
J for jug.
J for jug. Jug means a container for water. J-U-G. Jug.
Well done.
Dear children, now it's time for revision. You will revise all these words one by one. Let's start.
J for jam.
Well done.
J for jar.
Well done.
J for jaw.
Well done.
J for J.
Well done.
J for jet.
Well done.
J for jib.
Well done.
J for jig.
Well done.
J for job.
Well done.
J for jog.
Well done.
J for joy.
Well done.
J for jug.
Well done.
आई होप कि आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। इस वीडियो पे बहुत मेहनत होती है, आपके बच्चे हमारे बच्चे हैं। इसी तरह की मज़ीद वीडियो के लिए हमारी हौसला अफजाई लाजमी कीजिए। वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना ना भूलिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।